no saying to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit the Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
They call me New because I always rock the new. Just kidding. My name is EyeBrittanyNash. If this is your first time to my makeup channel, welcome here. I'm so excited that you are here with me today. As I introduce myself, comment below and introduce yourself to me. If you're new to my channel, tell me how you found out about my channel. If it was through a friend, if it was on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, comment below and let me know how you found out about my makeup page. This was going too good to be true, y'all. I didn't have any fumbling until now. So today I'm going to be creating this orange makeup look for you all today. It was super fun to get out of the box and do something fresh and new. I like to call this the orange sherbet of love. I'm not sure what exactly that means. However, it sounded cute, like, ooh. And real quick, before we jump into this makeup look, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and look me up at iBrittanyNash, right here. Go ahead and look me up on Instagram. Hit that follow button so you can see behind the scenes footage and exclusive things on my Instagram page. So we are going to go right ahead and jump into this makeup look. Next, going in using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to set my eyes. So now with my fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with my powder and I'm going to set the concealer all over my lid. And I'm also setting my eyebrows because I don't want my eyebrows to be shiny throughout the day. I know I repeat a lot of the steps, y'all, but there are new subscribers who this may be their first time here. Alright, so now I'm going to jump right into my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to warm up my crease with some of the warm shades that are in this palette. Gosh, guys, look. My palette is broken, so I'm trying to work with it. So I'm taking my Morphe 514 brush and I'm going to go in my palette and I'm going to find a brown shade. Let's see. I'm going to do a brownish orange shade because we are doing orange. So I'm going to go in. Wow. I'm going to go in with this burnt orange color. So, yeah, there we go. Come on off. Oops. So I'm going to go in using this burnt orange color here. And I'm going to buff that out into my crease. And I am flicking out my eyeshadow to the corners here because I want it to be a little bit more dramatic. And I'm just flaring it out past my actual eye line. And that's just going to help me get a great looking cat eye once I am done. So it's going to just create my eyes to look a little bit more oval. My hair is in the way. Maybe in the way, but it's still cute, right? Wow. So this is going to be, like, I'm doing a lid that's entirely only orange shades. So I'm just building the orange up. So we did the burnt orange. Now I'm going to go in using this a little bit brighter orange here. I wish they had names for these, but they don't. Wow. I really do like the color orange. However, I don't wear it much. But I saw this picture on Pinterest that I fell in love with. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to do an orange eye look. And I tried it out before I filmed this. And it turned out super cute. And I was like, I have to film it. I absolutely have to film it. Wow. We gonna look like we going to Coachella. So now I'm going in using a flat brush And I'm going to apply this orange shade here. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And as you can see, I'm just packing down the eyeshadow onto my lid. And it's just going to give me a lot more coverage and more pigment. I really do love the Morphe palettes because they are super pigmented. And I only paid like $24 for this palette, which is amazing. And there are 30, how many? There are 35 eyeshadows in here. 35 very pigment eyeshadows for $24. You don't find that. You don't find that anywhere. Morphe be doing it, y'all. Morphe is the bomb. Oh, oh, oh. It's gonna look good, y'all. I know y'all looking at me like, what in the world is she doing with that orange eyeshadow and that orange backdrop? Y'all just wait, okay? It's gonna be real cute. I promise. Now I'm going back with my little blending brush. I'm going to wipe off all the extra. And I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that I see. I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. Blending is like the main thing you need to know about makeup application. You want everything to look seamless. And I don't want to say natural because obviously orange eyeshadow isn't natural. However, when somebody come up on you, you want them to be like, wow, her eyeshadow is blended. Not just sitting up on top of the eye and it's like you see 1, 2, 3. Like, no, it looked like one eyeshadow that's got dimension. So I just want my eyeshadow today to look like it is 3D dimensionalized orange power, orange sherbet, whatever you want to think of it as, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the orange underneath my eyeline, and I'm gonna see what it looks like me doing it only halfway and decide if I want to go ahead and fill in the rest of my under eye with orange completely all the way through. I don't know. So I'm just taking that bright orange that I put on my lid, and I'm going to just flick it out. I'm also creating angles. As you see, I'm connecting the top with the bottom in a straight angle because it's going to give me more of a straight line and more of a cat eye. So I'm just taking it and dragging it in slow motion. Well, not slow motion, but small strokes. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the other eye. I'm not sure. I think to be a little bit more dramatic, I'm going to close in the eye. I think I want it to be all the way around. And as I'm applying it to my lower lash line, I am smudging it out because I want it to look more smudgy and not like a straight line. So blend it out as well. Yeah, I like that. I like. Now taking a Neutrogena wipe, I'm going to clean underneath my eyelid so that any fallout is cleaned up. And I'm just making it more straight with the wet wipe and really cleaning it up because I want it to look snatched, like, wow. That's how I want all my makeup looks to look. Just like, wow. This has been easy so far, right? It's been easy. We did 3 colors. We blended them in all together. You guys should be doing great, okay? So now I'm going in using my gel liner. Those who are faithful subscribers know I cannot apply this online, so I'm going to apply. I cannot apply this online. I cannot apply this on camera. Ah! I cannot apply this on camera to save my life very well. I will say very well, okay? So I'm going to do that and be right back. I'm back. Okay, so I only applied the eyeliner to the corners, brought it back in midway to my eye. I didn't close it off today because I didn't want to lose a lot of my orange color, so I just wanted it to be lined well enough just to define my eye but not totally take away from the color. So now I'm going to be using my Tarte Heartbreaker eyelashes. Now moving on, I'm going to be taking my favorite primer. Ooh. So I'm going to apply this in my crease area and my smile lines. So today I'm going to be going back to my Holy Grail foundation, which is the MAC Pro Longwear foundation in the color NC45, mixed with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation in the color NC50. So to apply this, normally I apply the lighter one here in my T-zone. Oh god, it's locked. These ones have pumps, but they lock, which is super cool for travel. So unlock it. So I'm gonna pump it here, here, I had to put up my hair just for a second so I can blend out this foundation. This is a little thicker than my other Lancome foundation, but it still blends out really nice. And you can always build and mix colors if you can't find your right shade. And if I feel like it's too light afterwards, I'm going to contour so it's going to bring back the warmth to my face. Makeup is all about playing around, finding out what works best for you and your skin. Ooh. Now I'm going in with the same concealer and highlighting my under eye. I am literally just pressing this concealer into my skin with this sponge, and it's really making my eyeshadow pop. Wow. Oh, my arm is tired. All this blending. And I'm not even sped up right now. I'm literally blending this fast. Now I'm taking just a clean foundation brush and pressing everything together to blend it. And I poked my eye! Ah! Ah! Dramatic moment. I apologize. Alright, so now I'm going to set my under eye using the MAC Pro Longwear Pressed Powder. This is in the color Dark. This really has been working for me, guys. Literally, I'm in love with this step. It saves me from looking really ashy, and it really does fill in those pores, my under eye area. You want to make sure that you get the crease of your nose as well, and your smile line. Anywhere that you highlighted, and your smile lines. Now going back in using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm now going to bake. And because this foundation is super full coverage, I'm not going to bake as long because I don't want it to ruin my makeup. And too much baking on full coverage can damage your makeup. Trust me, I know from experience. Alright. Bake those smile lines real quick. We're going to do a quick work today. Now going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NW50, I'm going to set my contour. And I'm doing this super fast, y'all, because I do not want my highlight to sit too long. Now I'm taking my little fluffy blending brush and I'm going to hurry up and sweep all that extra powder away. Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Dark. I'm going to set my entire face with this powder. Now taking Serenely by MAC, I'm going to be setting my cheekbones. And this is just going to bring the color back to my face. I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. And I prefer to use this spray with the MAC Pro Longwear foundations because this really does hydrate my skin, and the MAC foundations are very, very matte, so I want my skin to feel moisturized and wonderful throughout the day. Look, my mic is catching all that wind. Now I'm going in with my Espresso NYX Lip Liner and I'm lining my lips. Now I'm taking my Tartiest Glossy Lip Paint in the color Obvi. I wore this lip color in my Valentine's Day makeup look and it's super cute.
Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit the Lil Jon, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long.
Alright guys, so that completes this makeup look. If you enjoyed this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like this. I really had so much fun creating this makeup look for y'all. It's like, yes, I'm ready for the spring. I am over the winter. I will be rocking this during springtime, even before. I'm rocking it today. So, I think it's super cute, super fun, super flirty, right? You think so? I think so.